How to up your karma when you're shopping this holiday season. Peruse Amazon.com, put all the things you like in your shopping cart, but instead of giving all the funds to Amazon, go to your URL, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the microsite. So delete everything before Amazon.com, type in smile, hit enter. Your shopping cart literally has not changed. I'm still buying the same amount, but the only difference is a percentage of that will go to a nonprofit I choose. And you'll see what that looks like as you check out. Okay, so there's the order summary. Confirm all your items. Okay, place the order. And then as it goes, you will see how you made a difference.